Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah, all I want to say is thank you to my returning subscribers. They're always coming back to the channel. I appreciate your love, your comments keep me going guys. Yeah, don't forget, for those who are just joining the channel, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the family. Yeah, join us. Let's grow the channel together guys. Help me reach that 1000 subscribers and let's add that to those watch hours guys. Yeah, so today just gonna show you around. I've got so much to do at the farm and in our garden at the back of our poultry building. So I'm doing some weeding. Let me just show you the place where I'm gonna be weeding. Yeah, just gonna show you how the ginger and garlic have grown, the onions as well. I remember my previous video I had showed you guys how we transplanted the onions and how we transplanted the peppers. Yeah, so let's take a look and check how they've grown. Yeah, look at the onions, look how they're looking. So you can see they've weeded, but just reached up to here, so I need to continue weeding. And this is the garlic. Yeah, it's a bit dry, but we're gonna weed all of this. Yeah, so join me guys as I start weeding. Join me as I start weeding. Before I start weeding, just look at how the sweet peppers have grown. If you want to see how I planted these sweet peppers, you can check on my previous video I uploaded when we were transplanting the peppers. So look, we even have a green pepper here. It's already started. Yeah, which is really good. Yeah, so join me guys as I start to weed. Yeah, so you see guys, I'm gonna be weeding. I'm just using a garden fork because the ground is a bit dry. So after using a garden fork, I'll just pull out the weeds, which makes it easy. Yeah, which makes it so easy because the garden fork loosens the soil. But if you're really good, even without the garden fork, you can still weed, yeah? Because the soil is not all that hard. So you just know how to pull out the weeds, then you weed right. I'm gonna put on my gloves. So guys, this is garlic. This is garlic. So you can see a bit of wetness in the soil because they do water the garlic every evening, every morning and evening. Yeah, because it's already hot. It's already hot now in Zambia. Lusaka, part of Lusaka. Yeah. No more rains. I guess it's just the sun and the heat itself. Yeah. Already you can even see my shadow. Just know that it's hot, guys. So guys, this is where I've reached. I've waited from that side to here. Let's continue waiting. See how good the garlic looks. Like I mentioned earlier, using a garden fork is much easier right now because it just gets in and loosens the soil so that they can remove the weeds. It's much easier to weed with a garden fork. Just pull it out after using the garden fork.
Show us how you do to loosen the soil.
How to loosen the soil? You just put your garden fork through the soil. Yeah, the soil becomes loose. You pull it out. You can even see the roots. Yeah. guys, as I'm waiting, let's just show you the cherry tomatoes and some of the big tomatoes. You let me know, guys, if you've ever seen such big tomatoes. Yeah, you just comment, let me know in the comment section. Let's communicate, guys. Yeah, you just check out on the cherry tomatoes and the big tomatoes that we have in the garden. So guys, you can see where I started from. You see how clean it is. Yeah, from that side, this is how far I've gone. So this is what I'm left with to weed. Then I'll let you know, guys. I'll show you when I'm done weeding. I'll show you how the garlic looks after weeding. Yeah? Keep on watching, guys. As you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Watch the video up to the end. Let's get those watch hours. Let's make it together, guys. Yeah, continue watching. Hello, guys. So let's check on the garden and what we did yesterday, the other day. Yeah, I just want to show you how we continued weeding and cleaning the onions and the garlic and ginger. Then from that we can proceed to go and check on the field. We can continue checking on the field. It's been a while ever since I've been to the field. I've already started harvesting, guys, and harvest time is the best time for me. I really enjoy harvesting. Yeah, so let's check on the field. Yeah, sorry, let's check on the garden first. Yeah, so the onion has been transplanted. Just transplanted the onion, and this is the garlic. Yeah, I finished weeding the garlic yesterday. You can see how good it looks. See how good it looks. And this is the sweet peppers. These are the sweet peppers. It just looks good when it's it got no weeds. Cleaned, it looks clear, you can see through. These are the sweet peppers, and this is the ginger in here. Guys, look how big these tomatoes are. These are giant tomatoes, guys. Don't just look at them like this. These are big. These are massive tomatoes. Just look at this. These tomatoes are big, guys. Very big. We're really safe when it comes to the tomatoes, peppers, ginger, garlic, onions, maize, groundnuts, soybeans, sunflower. What more we're gonna plant? Yeah, just looking forward to planting more and more crops. And these are cherry tomatoes. Look at these, guys. The garden really looks good. So attracting. So attracting. Yeah, cherry tomatoes. They're so sweet. These are very nice when you're doing a salad. Yeah, it's so nice when you're doing a salad. And when you're making a salad. So this is what we've done for now, but I know in the near future I'm sure we're gonna have all this side. All this side is gonna be a garden. Yeah, maybe we're gonna have some potatoes, other vegetables that we need for this season. Yeah, so yeah, this is a view, guys, I wanted you to see. So right now I'm going to the field. Yeah, on the other hand, guys, these weekends are busy weekends, but on the other hand I'm selling chickens. On the other hand I'm looking at the field. On the other hand also looking at the garden. So yeah, that's how it is. Staying at the farm is one of the best things ever. Yeah, just look at how beautiful the yard looks. It's a beautiful sunny day. Just love how the surrounding looks. Got so many trees around where you can just sit and view the sun. Yeah, so guys, let's take a walk together as I go to check on the field. Yeah, there's so much difference at the farm. It looks cleaner and it looks clearer. So yeah, let's take a walk together and check on the field. I've started with the harvesting. On the guava orchard, I'm just gonna check on it when it's all cleared. Just wanna check on it when everything is wrecked. Oh wow, the pomegranates really look good. Look at this. They look so good. This is still small. They look so good. Look at this. They really look good, pomegranates. I don't know what this special lemon has for us. It hasn't even started bearing yet. I just hope the whole orchard can be cleared in no time. Yeah. I don't even have my boots on when I'm going to the field. I really was supposed to put on my boots, but anyway, let's see how far we're gonna reach. Excuse me. It's really beautiful sunny day today. I love it. Just look at the blue sky. It's beautiful. Oh my god. The maize is dry. This is what the beans was. And you can clearly see the difference when there was beans, and now you can see that people have passed through and harvested the beans. And these are the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, yeah. In no time we'll start taking them out because of the red sun. They don't need to be in the soil for a long time, yeah. Oh, in this place there was beans. Oh, over here there was so much beans in here. Oh, this place, guys, if you remember this side, when I used to show the beans, and it's very tasty. The fresh beans is so nice when cooked, just so nice. Yeah, so from here we would grow nuts. Yeah. Oh my god. Why did I wear my boots? Oh, we're gonna pass. Okay, let's see. Pass through here. Oh my god, I really wish I got my boots, seriously. So much grass in here. Wow. We had so much beans in here, so much. And we really had a good harvest of beans. We really have a good harvest of beans. And started with the maize now. Started harvesting the maize. You can see in my background, you can see all this place there was beans. Yeah. All this place there was beans. Yeah, so let's check up on some other stuff that need to be harvested. Yeah, the maize is dry. It's really dry. You can see why we've started harvesting it, because it's still dry. We do not have to leave it for a long time because it's gonna be destroyed. Yeah, the groundnuts as well. Looks like they've caught so much, and anytime soon we're gonna start harvesting the groundnuts as well. Yeah. So take a look at the maize. You can see how dry it is. This is super dry. got big hopes. Yeah, look at this yellow maize. We've even started shelling the maize. Yeah, we've even got meal out of the maize, and it's so nice. The shimmer is so nice. So nice. And when the fields of groundnuts, at the field of groundnuts, just look at all these guys. Oh, this is a field of groundnuts. Groundnuts, groundnuts, groundnuts. Knock away. What is it? Yeah, so this is a field of groundnuts, guys. Anytime soon, the groundnuts will be ready. I don't know how many times I've weeded in the groundnuts. I think must be 3 to 4 times. Because it really looks clean. Really, the food really looks clean. Groundnuts. And the ground is so dry. So dry. Looks hard. Looks so hard. So guys, as you're watching, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends and families. Help me reach to that 1,000 subscribers and help me add up to those watch hours. Don't forget to watch the video up to the end. Yeah, so I'm just showing you the field and letting you on how we're gonna start harvesting. Like I've showed you already with the maize. We already started harvesting the maize and the beans. Yes, what is remaining for us to harvest is the sweet potatoes and the groundnuts, the soybeans, and the sunflower. Yeah. Yeah. Just a few days ago, or I should say just a few weeks ago, we had this whole field of sunflower looking so yellow. It had flowers, but now because of the heat and because it's almost getting ready, that's the reason the flowers have gone out. Will dry. Soon we're gonna start harvesting the sunflower. Sunflower is even taller than way taller than. So this is my height. Wow. There's so much. We have so much sunflower, guys. I don't know who was trying to dig out the groundnuts, and if someone like ate part of the groundnuts, yeah. Which shows the groundnuts are still, not coated, not ready yet. Just need to give it the month, so. Yeah, just look at this. And it really feels good whereby you have invested so much, yeah, and then when it's time to harvest, you have more than you expected, yeah. Because for the sunflower, I think we have more than we expected. Believe me. I love how This one is standing out. Yeah, sunflower is just beautiful, guys. It is so beautiful. Yeah. It really feels good walking through the field and just seeing how everything has grown, how everything is looking good. It really feels good. And I'm really happy. I'm so happy that everything is just the way it's supposed to be. I will go and walk through the soybeans. I don't have the boots on me. I'm just putting on the sleeveless. So it's just too much grass in the soybeans. There's too much grass, and wow, there's so much soybeans. Just look at this. Let me do this. Look at this. Oh, this is soybeans. Oh, I have so much soybeans this year. We have so much soybeans this year. Wow. Guys, just look. Look at the soybeans. Look at the soybeans there. Yeah, so for this year, we really have so much, which is very good. This we got something out of, things that we're not expecting to have this year, because this year had looked like we're not gonna have a good harvest, but no. Yeah, we do now. We do. And we're gonna have a good harvest. I really love today, yeah? It's a hot sunny day. It's not hot, like so hot that you cannot walk in the sun. No, it's just a lovely sunny day. And I really love it. Really love it. Really like it. It's really beautiful out here, guys. It's really beautiful. Very beautiful. Beautiful day. Just that would be a nice day, but you just sit under a tree and just do what you have to do and just watch everything that is happening around the farm, because there's a cool breeze coming through as well, which it makes it so nice to walk around. Yeah, because of the cool breeze. Farm life, guys, farm life. We're getting used to this life. Yeah. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, like, comment, and share. To our new subscribers, you're welcome to the family, you're welcome to the channel. feel comfortable, feel free to comment. Let's communicate through the comment section. Yep. Let me know from which part of the world you're watching us from. Then we'll appreciate love. Yeah. My returning subscribers, thank you guys. Without you, JJ's life is nothing. Yeah. Thank you for the support. Love you. So much grass in here, guys. Just see, there's so much grass, and I don't even have my boots with me. This is sweet potato. It's really caught so well up to that far end. That's where it reaches from that far to this far where I'm going. Yeah, so let's take this walk to get as I go back home. So I'm making another orchard here. Yeah, so you can see these are pawpaw trees mixed mango trees in between pawpaws, and the guavas as well. The guava trees and avocado trees, avocado pear, and oranges, lemons, ackee tree, ackee fruit, mulberry. Yeah, I think these are the trees that we have in this orchard. There'll be so much to do when it comes to harvesting the maize, and I know how much there's so much labor. I can say so. There's so much labor because you can see with the maize, start from there, from that pole, electric pole, just going a bit further from that side up to this side, and then it goes down further. So I know there's gonna be so much work to do. There's so much. But the good thing is that we're gonna have a good harvest of maize. No more buying of mini meal. Yeah. It's so healthy to have fruits like from your own field, your own produce. Feels so good. So these blocks, and this is part of the quarry stones that have remained. These blocks here, we're building one of the house. We're building a house for one of the workers further out there. I'll be glad to show you guys in my next video. I'll show you how to build in the house for one of the helpers. Yeah, so yeah, life at the farm. Right now, just trying to maintain the farm as possible. We're trying to clean both sides. This side, the bigger place where the farm is remaining, and the other side where the road has passed. So yeah, we're trying to maintain everything. Just hope everything looks better, and I hope everything gets back looking to normal. Yes, I'm going. It's not a house now. So guys, this is what I had for you, just updating you on the fields and life at the farm. Yeah, we're going back now. I feel hot now. So from me, it's bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, yeah, guys. Yeah, I love you so much. Me and Judges life. All I'm gonna say is bye bye. See you next time.